Welcome back to the AZ Garden Triangle. Today we'll be showing you how to repurpose your old water bottles and plant Tatsoi seedlings. This is a great way to reduce waste and grow your own fresh produce. Here are some plastic water bottles that we will repurpose. First, cut the side of the water bottle to create an opening for planting using a utility knife. Be very careful when doing this. And then use a pair of scissors to finish the job. Make sure to discard the labels. Next, cut a hole for drainage at the bottom of the bottle. Here are the Tatsoi seedlings that we will be transplanting into the water bottles. Next, we prepared the soil. Mix together equal parts of compost and potting soil. Add coco coir for moisture, and add vermiculite for drainage. Then add organic fertilizers like blood meal, Dr. Earth fertilizer, a dash of mycorrhizal fungi, worm castings. Then mix all the ingredients together. Then fill the bottle about up to an inch from the top. Now it's time to plant your Tatsoi seedlings. Simply make a small hole in the soil mixture and gently place your seedling into the hole. Add more soil around the seedling and gently press down. Lastly, water your seedling well and place it in a shaded spot. You'll want to keep the soil moist, but not too wet. Within a few weeks, your Tatsoi seedling will start to grow and you'll have fresh greens to add to your meals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click on the next video for more eco-friendly gardening tips.